Gforce is the ideal charter vessel with its superlative combination of sleek exterior lines and elegant interior styling. This 37-meter-long Heesen vessel has a double 3,648 horsepower MTU engine that reaches a top speed of 30 knots. It has an exquisitely appointed interior that combines fine crafted elegance with 5-star comfort, all complemented by a vibrant, young, highly qualified and efficient crew having the guest's safety and comfort at heart at all times. The aft of the saloon is the formal dining area that showcases a round dining table accommodating up to 10 people. This leaves a spacious area forward as a lounge, with plush sofas and a 50-inch high-definition flat-screen television to view Blu-ray quality movies. Adjacent to the main saloon area is the galleon pantry, where elegant black African granite is combined with understated Blackmore oak cabinets. The full-width stateroom and ensuite bathroom with a large walk-in shower and his and hers vanity units is situated on the main deck forward of the saloon. Guest accommodation consists of 3 elegantly designed and fitted double cabins and an additional children's cabin with 4 single bunks. On deck, Gforce offers her guests plenty of space for lounging, entertaining and outdoor living. The sun deck is extremely spacious for a yacht of this size and boasts a large jacuzzi surrounded by comfortable sun pads, a wet bar, teppanyaki grill and a large shaded dining area. Forward of the bridge, there is an additional sun pad area offering superb panoramic vistas when underway. On the main deck is an alfresco dining area with an additional wet bar for relaxing with cocktails and taking in the sunsets. Gforce comes with a 3-man Sea-Doo jet ski and an 18-foot jet tender ever ready to whisk guests away on shore excursions. Gforce is a truly exceptional experience that will really live up to all the expectations of her charter guests.